This is a very basic and quickest way to create your own song using Suno. First, we need to create our lyrics, so go to ChatGPT and write the prompt as shown by the red arrow. Once you have the lyrics, copy it and go back to Suno. On the main page, click Create as shown by the red arrow. This will bring you to the Create page. Paste the lyrics as shown by the red arrow. Next, choose the style and gender of music you want as shown by the red arrow. Next, click Create as shown by the red arrow. Suno will now create two versions of your song as shown by the red arrows. Once Suno has created the two songs, you can then play them by simply clicking on them. You can also click on the play button at the bottom of the page. You can now enjoy your own song that you created. To download your song, simply right-click on the song and click Download as shown by the red arrow. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more tutorials.